In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 19mm wrench, break the jam nut free on the inner tie rod. Remove the cotter pin out of the tie rod end. Using a 19mm socket, remove the nut off the end of the tie rod. Using a hammer, we're going to hit in this area to release the corrosion or the tension on the outer tie rod and release it from the knuckle. And remove the tie rod from the knuckle. Remove the outer tie rod. Take note of how many spins. We're going to try and put the new one where the old one went. This will keep your alignment specs close. Install the outer tie rod. Spin that all the way down to your jam nut. Remove the nut off the end of the tie rod end. Install the tie rod end into the knuckle. Install the nut onto the outer tie rod and snug it down. Install the wheel. Get the 5 lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque your wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.